good morning. Welcome back to our English class. So my dear students, in the previous class we have completed the unit 1. Today we are going to start unit 2. What's the lesson name here? The Jamun Tree. What's the lesson? The Jamun Tree. So now tell me, before going to the lesson, now tell me the uses of trees. What are the uses of trees here? Tell me anyone? It will give shelter to us and it is having leaves, branches. That's okay. But what are the uses here? Yes, see here, look at the board. First of all, fruits. Do trees give the fruits to us? Yes, so trees gives us fruits, vegetables, even oil, glue, spices, rubber, medicine, isn't it? Now what are the fruits? You know fruits like apple, banana, still pomegranate and pineapple, etc. You know the fruits name. Who gives the fruits to us here? Trees gives us the fruits. Then what about the vegetables? Yes, vegetables also used by the tree. Then oil. Oil also, who will give the oil here? Trees only produce the oil. Then glue. Glue is nothing but gum. You will use like Fevicol, isn't it? Like Fevistick. The towel, from where it will come? It will come from tree. Then what are spices? Spices are nothing but like chilies, black pepper, isn't it? Do you know that? Cloves. Yes, these all are the spices. Then rubber. What is rubber here? Example, car is having tires, isn't it? Yes, how it will run? With the help of the wheels. What are wheels here made up of? It is used by rubber. And in the classrooms, you people use eraser. Do you know the eraser? Yes, everyone will know the eraser. So, eraser also made by the tree only. Then, the most important is medicines. Who will give the medicines? Yes, normally doctors will give the medicines. But from where the medicines are making here? From the tree. Now here, take your textbook and open page number 16. See here, look at the picture once, page number 16. They have given a tree. In the first picture, what is there in the first picture? Fruits. What's the spelling of the fruits? Fruits. And also below the fruits, they have given a box to write the names of that. So what we had to write in this? What I have drawn here? Fruits. What is the spelling of fruits? Fruits. Fruits. Have you written? Yes. Now we shall move to the second picture. What is the second picture? Look at the book and tell me. Yes. Vegetables. What is the spelling of the vegetables? No need to worry. I will tell you. See here. Look at me. Vegetables. Vegetables. What's the spelling? Vegetables. Vegetables. So the first picture is fruits and the second picture is vegetables. And what's the third picture? Oil. What is the spelling of oil, dear children? Nothing but O-I-L. What's the spelling? O-I-L. Oil. Then the fourth one. What is the fourth picture? Glue is nothing but gum. What is the spelling of glue? G-L-U-E. What is the spelling? G-L-U-E. Glue. Now next picture. Spices. What's the spelling? Spices. S-P-I-C-E-S. What's the spelling? S-P-I-C-E-S. Spices. Next, rubber. Next, what is it? Sorry, in that you are having medicine. So, what's the medicine spelling here? M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Medicine. What's the spelling? M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. medicine. Then what's the last picture? Rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. Once again, R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. Once again I am repeating here. The first picture is fruits, second picture is vegetables, third picture is oil, fourth picture is glue, fifth picture is spices, sixth picture is medicine, and the last picture is rubber. Now we have completed the page number 16 bit work we have completed. So now trees gives us useful things. Here are few of them. Write the names in the boxes. Yes, we have completed the writing of those pictures names here. Now we shall move to the lesson, the jamun tree. What is the jamun here? Yes, it is a type of fruit. We shall see what's the lesson here. Okay, now open page number 17 here. Keep the finger where I am reading. Do you know the importance of trees? Do you know the importance of trees? Yes, we all know the importance of trees. Just now we have also seen here. Then they give us useful things. Yes, trees will give us so many useful things to us. Then let's read about the story of the jamuni tree and how some people saved it. So now we are going to learn about jamuni tree and some people have saved the tree here. Let us see. There was a village near the Panchavati forest. So where was the village? There was a village near the which forest? Panchavati forest. Then two children, Rajat and Aruni. So how many children are there? Two children. What are those names? Rajat and Aruni. Rajat, Aruni are the two children. Where they are living? They are living in the village. There was a small village near the Panchavati forest. Two children, Rajat and Aruni, were living in the village. Then on hot summer days, which days? On hot summer days, they would rest and play under a big jamunu tree in the forest. So, where they are living? They are living in the forest. So, what was those days? Very hot summer days. Then how they will feel? It's very hot to us, isn't it? Yes. So, where they are going to rest? Under the jamuni tree. And also they are playing under the big jamuni tree in the forest. Then the jamun tree was big and had a big trunk. So the jamuni tree was very big and its trunk also very. The jamuni tree is very big and its trunk also very big in size. Then what happened? It had a lot of branches and leaves. So it is having lot of branches and it is also having lot of leaves. Then Rajat and Aruni love to sit in its shade. So where Rajat and Aruni were sitting? They like to sit under the shade of a jamuni tree. Sometimes they would run around the tree and play hide and seek. So sometimes they were running around, means if tree is here, they will run around the tree and they will play hide and seek. They love to watch squirrels running after one another. So they were loving to see the squirrels which are playing on the tree. Then the tree was the home of many birds. So what was the tree? The tree was the home of many birds. So many birds are coming and sitting on the jamuni tree. Then Rajat and Aruni liked the watching birds bringing twigs to build their nest. So what also they are loving? The birds which are bringing twigs to build the nest. Twigs are nothing but like small pieces of grass or small pieces of sticks. Small sticks will be there now. So all the birds are bringing that type of twigs. Why they are bringing? To build their nest. What is a nest here? That is their living place. We are having houses, but do the birds are having? No, birds are having nest to live. Then once a year the tree would be full of purple jamun. So after a year, how the tree was looking? It is full of jamun which are in purple color. Then Rajat and Aruni would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. So all the tree was filled with purple color jamuns, and Aruni and Rajat were taking all the purple color jamuns to themselves and to their family members. So now they have collected the jamuni fruits there. Why they collected? To eat, isn't it? Yes. Now after collecting the fruits, what they are going to do with the jamun tree? We shall discuss in the next class. Okay, dear children. Now once again you had to read the lesson. Why? Because you had to understand the lesson, isn't it?